Mike from Regala Photography, where we talk about everything photography. Today, we're diving into the world of film emulation with Dehancer, a plugin that's transforming the way we grade footage in Davinci Resolve. I have several videos about the various Dehancer plugins for Lightroom and Photoshop, Final Cut Pro, as well as their iOS app. I'll link to the playlist in the description below. And I've recently made the switch over to Davinci Resolve from Final Cut Pro, and Dehancer was gracious enough to provide a copy of their plugin for review. Disclaimer: Dehancer has not paid me for this review, nor will see this video before it is published. All thoughts and opinions in this video are my own and in no way influenced by Dehancer. Hey everyone, Future Mike here. Listen, when I recorded this video, I completely forgot to add the discount code or talk about the discount code I have for Dehancer. Dehancer was very gracious enough to give me a 10% off discount code for all of you guys. It works on all of their products except for the iOS app. I believe the iOS app is a subscription based, so that's why it doesn't work. But you can get Dehancer for Davinci, Dehancer for Lightroom, Photoshop, Dehancer for Capture One, Dehancer for Final Cut Pro. I believe Dehancer also works for Premiere Pro as well. I'm not sure if it works for On One. I can't remember that. I'll put that in the description. I'll list them all in there. But my discount code is, and I'll put it right here, Regala Photo 10. Regala Photo 10. Okay, so you'll get 10% off. You can use it as many times as you want. I do get a small commission every time you use the code. Okay, but you know, again, all of them are great plugins. I mean, they're fantastic. It's so much easier than using a LUT or a preset or anything like that at all. So much more control. So anyway, 10% off, Regala Photo 10. It is in the description below. Now, back to the recorded me. Whether you're a filmmaker, colorist, or just a film enthusiast, Dehancer can save you loads of time, inspire you to create the best look for your videos, and is just easy and fun to use. So let's get started. Dehancer is a powerful film emulation plugin for Davinci Resolve, designed to mimic the look and feel of actual film stocks. With its comprehensive set of tools, you can apply realistic film effects, from grain and halation to bloom and even film damage, bringing that coveted analog warmth to your digital footage. While Davinci Resolve does have film emulation LUTs, you just don't have the same control and features that Dehancer has. And I'll tell you, I love Davinci. Coming from Final Cut Pro, it is loads better, but Dehancer makes it even that much better. One of the standout features of Dehancer is its extensive library of film stocks. Whether you're looking for the classic Kodak Portra for its sublime skin tones, the vivid colors of Fujifilm Velvia, or the timeless black and white of Ilford Delta, Dehancer has you covered. The plugin includes emulations of Kodak Vision 3, Fuji Superia, Agfa Scala, and many more, offering unparalleled versatility in achieving that perfect look for your footage. Since my last video about Dehancer for Final Cut Pro, Dehancer's latest update introduces exciting new features like film damage and overscan. Film damage adds an authentic aged look to your footage with options to control intensity and the type of damage. Overscan simulates the edge artifacts and softness seen in film projection, adding another layer of realism to your digital images. Halation and bloom are two effects that truly set Dehancer apart. Halation is the red glow around bright light sources, adding depth and warmth to your images. Meanwhile, bloom creates a soft light diffusion, mimicking the way light behaves in real film. This dreamy look is very popular with YouTubers by using a mist filter on their camera lens. Both effects are fully customizable, allowing for precise control over the final look. I'm not sure if you knew this, but I have a photography newsletter that you can sign up for on my website, regalaphotography.com. I always include my latest videos, expert photography tips, and all the exciting news from Regala Photography. Sign up now and never miss an update on enhancing your photography skills and keeping up with my journey as a photographer and with my site. You can sign up at the link in the description below. It is free, and I absolutely hate spam, so I won't be sending you any. Also, as long as you're down there, please click that like button and subscribe. It really does help. Thank you all for your support. To get the most out of Dehancer, experiment with different film stocks and effect combinations. Use overscan sparingly for a subtle effect, and don't shy away from pushing halation and bloom to create a very distinct visual style. Also, I suggest disabling film grain until the very end of your edits, since it can slow your computer down. And most importantly, always keep your project's narrative and aesthetic in mind when choosing your film emulation. Whether you're working on a feature film, a music video, or personal project, Dehancer offers an array of tools to bring your vision to life. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and click that like button. It really, really does help. Ring that bell if you want to be notified when my next video is posted. Until next time, take care, everyone.